Well, Carl, a disappointing afternoon in the office in the end, coming out into this one knowing that 3 points are what you need to secure that top 6 spot today. How do you react to that one?
Yeah, I don't think we were good on the day. We didn't work enough chances going forward, didn't ask enough questions of their goalkeeper or ask enough questions of their back four. And they were good, Caernarfon were good, but I thought we blanked their threat off. And then there was no chances in the game, to be fair. I thought they had the better of the half chances in the first half, and then we had the better chances, half chances in the second half, and then the last goal's gone because we've changed our shape chasing it. But I just thought we didn't turn up today. Didn't turn up, we weren't bad, could have been a lot better.
Prawd iawn o'r gia, oedden ni'n gwybod be ddisgwyl efo Bala heddiw, o tybelu dros top a trwy mynd am y second balls na di siarad lot amdano fo lle wedyn. Na, chwarae teg, da ni wedi mynd i battle heddiw a da ni dod allan efo'r 3 points a dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n llawn hyddo fyd.
I sgorio'r gol gyntaf na hefyd, y gol gyntaf di yn uwch gyngrair Cymru, pa mor falch y ti a hynny?
Ia, falch iawn. Di wytio dipyn amdano fo dim ôl. Ia, yn dod ato fi fanna. I'm siŵr os o'n i'n mynd ochr yna, ond ia, o'n gweithio yn ei waith.
We've just got to get on. We've had injuries over the season. We've got to deal with it. We've got to get back up to training. Well, got to be no training now. There'll be a game on Tuesday, massive game, and we can still get into the top 6 if we win that game.
Pa mor bwysig ydi o bod chi'n llwyddo i ran ac yn llwyddo i gyrraedd y 6 ucha yna?
Na, ti'n gwybod, mae da ni tîm Bala, ti'n gwybod, da ni bob blwyddyn mae'n wedi bod yn y top 6, so da ni gorfod mynd allan a gorfod bod well na'r hanner cyntaf a da ni gorfod rhoi bob dim i gael yn y top 6.
Beth sy'n fan olygu i chi i sicrhau eich lle chi yn y 6 ucha yna tymor yma eto ar ôl holl llwyddiannau tymor dwytha hefyd?
Dwi'n meddwl o dipyn o sôn ar ôl Europe sydd wedi mynd i wneud season yma a da ni wedi colli gema siomedig dwi'n meddwl. Ond ia, o'n i cup final heddiw, cup final arall dy Mawrth a gobeithio am 3 pwynt arall dy Mawrth i sicrhau.
Oedd y gem enfawr i ni heddiw, ac yr un beth oedden ni'n gobeithio di bod ni dal, bod o'n dwylo ni mynd i fewn i'r gem o hwnna, a da ni wedi sicr neu hynna wan lly. So cadw mlaen efo momentum ma'n gobeithio mynd o hwnna fewn i gem ffwynt.